Guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new on this channel, please do well to subscribe, hit that thumbs up button and that bell icon so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. Welcome everyone, wherever you might be watching me from, you're all welcome. To my returning subscribers, please keep it going, keep it going. If you have any questions or comments, drop it in the comment section below. So guys, on this video I'm going to be making a review of this product, Neoprosone vitamin C brightening cream. There's only be a few reviews of this product, I think one or two. I've not seen much of reviews of Neoprosone vitamin C brightening cream, though I've seen reviews of the Neoprosone, I think gel. Yeah, I've seen that one so many places, but for this particular one I've not seen. So I decided to make a review because I've used this product since last year. I've used it to pro-mix a hand cream for a client and it's good. That's maintenance. It's not a knuckle remover, it's a maintenance cream. Yeah, just to maintain her hands. Okay, and it worked for her. Okay, let's talk about the ingredients in this product. The major whitening ingredients in this product are vitamin C and alpha-arbutin. Vitamin C helps to inhibit the melanin production. Alpha-arbutin is one of the whitening ingredients in this product. It's a safe brightening ingredient which is used in so many skincare products. Yes, it helps in fading out scars, hyperpigmentation, which could be left behind from acne, pimples, or sun damage. So alpha-arbutin and vitamin C are the whitening or brightening ingredients in this product. Okay, the benefits of this Neoprosone vitamin C is it fades out melasma. It clears dark spots on the skin. Yeah, clears dark spots on the skin. Even your face. Yeah, even your face. Yeah, it clears it. It brightens the skin tone. We have some people that actually mix it in their cream and use it all over their body. Yes, and it reduces signs of aging, wrinkles, and stuff. And use this Neoprosone vitamin C brightening cream on any part of your body that is dark, pigmented. For example, if you have dark armpits, you can use this cream on it. Your dark elbows, your dark knees, you can use it on your dark heels. Yeah, you can apply it only on those dark areas and it's definitely going to clear your skin. It's going to be whiter, or should I say brighter. One advice for using this: if you need to use Neoprosone vitamin C brightening cream in the daytime, I always talk about your SPF, using of your sunscreen. Please guys, on the pack, if you check the pack, it said preferably to be used at night, but if you need to use it during the day, follow up with SPF 30 and above. Don't go below that. So if you use this during the day, make sure you also apply your sunscreen to avoid Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please, for those of you that have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, do well to hit that subscribe button and the like button. I hope to see you on my next video. Bye guys.